Hello friends, Alena is here again, and today I like to share album which I made last year actually, and video before I show you beautiful album from paper of Ciao Bella. And today I like to share again Ciao Bella paper collection, A Gift of Love. And because it's just fantastic, beautiful paper, and I want to show you how I put all this love into the album. So, cover like usual is very simple, just a little bit fussy cut and put 3D, put on the mouth tape to look a little bit 3D. And actually even on cover it's that winter feeling when snow cover whole country and it's silent and you can feel that beauty. For spine I just put that teeny mini tag and back have simple paper. So let's see what is inside. I just have to tell more and more I love Ciao Bella papers. It's really, with mint eyes, it's my favorites. So, under the cover, on first, I put teeny mini booklet for photos, and that is so beautiful sign. Sorry, my English. Winter magic is silent. You don't hear it, you feel it. So it's true. And here is little flap, and we have here 3D pocket. Actually, it's envelope. And when I open that cover, here is a little pocket with that beautiful images, the friends of dog and horse. I admire the designer who made that fantastic paper. So next, first page has pocket on a side, and here walking horse with dog, and they walking together. It's so nice. And still is snow. Okay. All pages are pocket pages, so you can put inside a big tag with maybe 4 photos. Even that is so magical for me. It's like Beaver's family show us how we have to keep together, build houses or family together with big, huge love. So I just cut that edge of river and make pocket with that photomat tag. Beautiful. Okay. And other side have again pocket aside, so we can slide something here, and it's same image, just small one, and that beautiful family, Beaver's family. Next page is again about that dog and horse. So it's just open, and we can write some story or put some photos here or here. It's so sentimental. It's so beautiful, I think. Okay, I love it. All right. Next is that my favorite page, and that is favorite saying, winter isn't a season, it's a feeling. We can put its booklet, and we can put photos here and here, and it is flap, and here is the beauty of landscape of country. Lovely, really lovely. And I glue that card just on U size, so I can slide that booklet here and put here to see that beautiful saying. Okay. And I love that page also. We talking Christmas grog, but here is mullet wine. It's a recipe for here. And what we can do, just make that mullet wine, that grog, and sit on the sofa and put beautiful photo from our winter walking in this album and enjoy it. And on this page again I just cut to make pocket. I don't want to disturb the paper. I just love it, the paper. And here we have swing, winter swing, and that house, that cottage, just make some warm fire. Beautiful. Okay. And here I make some flap. It's so cute, that dog with that little girl. And when I open swap, it is pocket for photos, and photos can come here, also here. And I made pocket here. And I also love that knitting design. It's make me sweet and warm, for warm sweater or hat. Cute. Okay. And on the last, we have that ribbon I have to open, and it's flap, and here is pocket. We can put photo here, like that. Winter trees farm. Okay, and also it's pocket here with that tag. And ta-da, when I close that, I open. That was last year I did in many albums, that 3D composition. So it's everything inside. I love it. Look at that. So that is the one of the sweet albums I really made with huge love. I love it. And if somebody wants to buy it, just let me know. You can have it. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.